In this video, we listed the 5 best smart door locks on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. CIEPOJIT Smart Door Handle Lock. The CIEPOJIT Smart Door Lock is a highly secured locking system designed for convenience and versatility, utilizing a dry battery power supply and made from durable aluminum alloy. It features multiple unlocking methods including a smartphone app, TT lock, fingerprint recognition, password entry, smart card access, and traditional keys, allowing for flexible access control. The lock is designed with longer handle panels to cover any existing door holes, and its adjustable installation rod allows for easy mounting without the need for drilling. Additionally, it offers various security features such as an encrypted smart IC card that can be cancelled if lost, multiple anti-tampering alarms, and an automatic locking mechanism after several incorrect entry attempts. The lock also supports a delayed auto-lock feature via the app, ensuring modern security for smart homes. Please note that the device requires for AAA 1.5V alkaline batteries, which are not included in the package. Number 2. RAYKUBE M5 Door Lock. The RAYKUBE M5 is a versatile and secure smart door lock designed for various door types, including steel, wooden, brass, and stainless steel doors, with a thickness range of 28 to 50 mm. It operates on a dry battery system, requiring for AAA batteries, not included, for power, and features a robust construction using zinc alloy and profile aluminum. The lock offers multiple unlocking methods, including fingerprint recognition, password entry, Bluetooth connectivity via the CIEPOJIT app, IC cards, and mechanical keys, accommodating 20 to 100 fingerprints. Notably, it supports remote temporary password generation and a virtual password feature to enhance security against peeping. The M5 lock is equipped with an emergency USB power supply for situations where the batteries are depleted and includes a user-friendly LED display for easy operation. Additionally, it has a passage mode for convenient free entry and exit, making it a practical choice for modern smart homes. Number 3. RAYKUBE DS02 Lock. The RAYKUBE DS02 CIEPOJIT Smart Fingerprint Deadbolt Electric Lock is a versatile and secure locking solution designed for various door types, including steel, wooden, and stainless steel doors with a thickness of 30 to 50 mm. It operates on a reliable dry battery power supply, specifically requiring for AA batteries, which provide approximately 8 months of battery life. This smart lock features multiple unlocking methods, including fingerprint recognition, password entry, a mobile app, Bluetooth connectivity, and mechanical keys, ensuring flexibility in access. It supports up to 9 administrators and 191 users, and offers advanced features such as a mute mode, virtual password for anti-peeping security, and an emergency USB power supply option. Additionally, it comes with a door sensor for automatic locking when the door is closed, enhancing security without additional settings. Constructed from durable aluminum alloy, the DS02 is tailored for user-friendly operation with clear LED digital displays, making it a reliable choice for modern smart homes integrated with the CIEPOJIT platform. Number 4. RAYKUBE M5 Door Lock. The RAYKUBE M5 is a versatile and secure electronic door lock designed for various door types, including steel, wooden, brass, and stainless steel, with a fitting thickness of 28 to 50 mm. This advanced lock features multiple unlocking methods such as fingerprint recognition, password, IC card, mechanical keys, and Bluetooth connectivity via the CIEPOJIT app, accommodating 20 to 100 fingerprints. It boasts a sleek polished finish and is constructed from durable zinc alloy and aluminum. The lock includes a USB Type-C emergency power supply, ensuring access even if the batteries run out, which are AAA batteries with an approximate lifespan of 8 months. Additional features include a virtual password function to prevent unauthorized viewing, a passage mode for easy entry and exit, and the ability to set temporary passwords for guests. Installation is straightforward, with all necessary components included, making it a practical choice for enhancing home security. Number 5. PHIPULO New Smart Door Lock. The PHIPULO Smart Door Lock is a state-of-the-art security solution tailored for modern households aiming to enhance their home safety. Constructed from robust aluminum alloy, this stylish lock features advanced biometric fingerprint recognition technology for secure and rapid access, ensuring that only authorized individuals can enter. Designed to fit various wooden doors with thicknesses between 35 mm and 65 mm, it offers easy installation and compatibility with the CIEPOJIT app, allowing homeowners to manage their security from anywhere via Bluetooth connectivity. In addition to biometric access, the lock supports multiple unlocking methods, including mechanical keys and passwords. The lock's IP66 protection level ensures resilience against environmental factors, while built-in features like a doorbell contribute to its functionality. With a sleek, polished finish, the PHIPULO Smart Door Lock not only prioritizes security but also blends seamlessly with any home decor, making it an ideal solution for tech-savvy users and those who appreciate elegance in their security installations.